This is Houston with Roof It Forward doing a quick video inspection for Mark. There you are down there. So I was talking about those nail heads. See, there's some silicone over here. That wears out every 5 or so years. So you have some on this side, but for whatever reason on that side it wasn't sealed up, which is kind of strange. So we showed you that missing shingle, and I'm going to show you how that happens. So at the top of this shingle right here, see this dark line at the top of it? That's where the wind's gotten underneath it and pulled it back and forth. And eventually it's gonna tear off completely, like this one on the front. And I want to show you another thing. So when you look for hail damage, you're gonna look, the first thing you want to look at are anything soft metal. So these HVAC caps, the real big dents are probably from somehow maybe one of these acorns or something blew over and fell on it, but all those little dents, like there's a good one right there, that was more than likely from hail. I'm going to show you what hail to the shingle looks like. Oh, and as for those wind creases, here's another real good example. You can see how dark this, you can actually kind of see the fiberglass matting showing. There's another one down there. And so as for hail, these dark blemishes on the shingle, when you look real close at them, you can see how the granules are pushed in and removed. That disables the water shedding capability of the shingle, so the water just sits on it. Another thing I mentioned was the fact that your roof is California tied. So you can see how these shingles are all woven in together instead of cut down a line, which means that if you have damage on one slope, we can't just repair that one slope. We have to do every slope connected to it. So the amount of damage you up here with my relationship with Brian Weens, the adjuster for USAA that would be coming out here, this is pretty much a done deal.